Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your phone's internet connection, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up mobile hotspots efficiently. Step 1. Verify your plan includes mobile hotspot capability and understand data limits. Some plans include hotspot, others charge extra, and some limit hotspot speeds or amounts. Step 2. Enable mobile hotspot in your phone settings under Network, Connections, or Personal Hotspot. Toggle the feature on to begin broadcasting your connection. Step 3. Set a strong Wi-Fi password for your hotspot to prevent unauthorized access. Use a complex password with letters, numbers, and symbols that's different from other passwords. Step 4. Change your hotspot name to something identifiable but not personally revealing. Avoid using your name or other identifying information in the network name. Step 5. Limit the number of devices connected to your hotspot simultaneously. Each connected device consumes data, and too many connections slow speeds for everyone. Step 6. Choose the appropriate frequency band for your needs. 5 GHz offers faster speeds for nearby devices, while 2.4 GHz provides better range but slower performance. Step 7. Monitor data usage carefully when using hotspot to avoid overages. Hotspot data counts against your plan limits and can be consumed very quickly by connected devices. Step 8. Turn off hotspot when not actively in use to conserve battery life. Mobile hotspot drains battery rapidly, so disable it whenever you're not sharing your connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.